Tired of running out of gas with your chainsaw in remote areas, having to constantly go in and change your spark plugs and constantly maintenance your tool? Look no further than the Milwaukee FUEL 16-inch chainsaw. This chainsaw will provide 150 cuts on one single charge. No gas, no headaches, zero maintenance, and it will cut into 6-inch wood with ease. We're going to get into a quick demonstration to see just how nicely this will cut through wood. So just drive a leg bolt with the compact impact wrench, and now we're going to cut off the 6-inch or 6x6 post with the chainsaw.